Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. So I am back, okay, and I was gonna do a live, but my daughter ended up falling off of her bike, right, busting her knee open. So yeah, like why do I buy knee pads and stuff like that? Why? Just for decoration for your dresser? I'm just trying to get an understanding. I got you knee pads and stuff because I care about those knees of yours, okay? And you just decide not to wear it and yeah, cause all type of confusion. But anywho, she's okay. That was her first fall in her life, and she doesn't even know how to deal with it, y'all. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I remember back in the day, our moms would like, "You right? Go run it out. You gotta take care of yourself." And these new age kids like, "Oh my gosh, I'm dying." I'm just cleaning off my stump once again, so it's cool. It's cool, y'all. So I'm just waiting on my customer to hit me back, y'all. Another order just had came through right before I press play or record. Okay, so God is so good, y'all. God is so good. But just finishing these stamps. But anyway, y'all, I had got some awesome and amazing news today. Not only did I get partnerships with Get Juiced, but I also got invited to the Be Good, BEY. This is by Beyonce. The Be Good Foundation, like the Be Good Black Parade that's in Chicago. Yes, y'all, I got invited to participate inside that parade, but it's not really a parade, it's a luncheon. We are having a luncheon with B. Okay. I am so excited, y'all. Like, y'all don't even know. I said, what? When I got that email, man, that was the best part of my day. I gotta write that on my Facebook group, my best Friday, because this was my best Friday, y'all. Even though that work neck wasn't looking like nothing, definitely was still blessed to even, have any type of income or to even cash a check, y'all. I count all my blessings, big and small, because some people ain't receiving blessings. And it just seemed like I'm just blessed. My daughter could have actually really failed and hurt herself when she fell today. And all she did was scrape her knee. And I told her, like, that should teach you a valuable lesson within yourself, because you could have lost your knee today. You could have broke a neck. You could have did anything. But God has blessed you to, from this mistake, He has blessed you to make sure you wear your helmet and your safety gear that your mom provides. You know what I mean? So I just told her, like, you gotta count your blessings, baby. Yeah, her knee is hurting or whatever. She limping around. But I was like, that's not as bad as it can be. Y'all heard that Shania Twain song? It's not as bad as it can be. Mm-mm. Seems everybody's bugging me. Like nothing wants to go my way. I just ain't in my day. Nothing's coming easily. Even my skin is acting weird. I wish that I can grow a beard. And I can cover up my spots. Okay, my bad, y'all. You got a little carried away. But your girl love her some country music. I'm a country girl at heart, y'all. Country girl at heart. I'm just taking out these little pieces that I really don't want around it like that. So I just take my Q-tip and I just basically rub it very carefully so it doesn't get inside of the stencil, like so. Okay. Clean it up. Look at the top. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? So I'm also about to put it inside of the little foil that I have for it. Okay, quiet. I was focusing, y'all. Focusing for a little minute. But I hope everybody else is having a blessed Friday. I really wanted to pop on here live and tell y'all my good news, but being a mom, certain responsibilities come before this YouTube thing. I have another 2 crying, okay, because it's time for bed, and of course they cannot get their way, but it's cool though. It's all good. I didn't want to press that one down too hard because wasn't trying to mess it up. Wasn't trying to mess it up. Okay. So now I have these that I am going to put it in. So it's like this opening, right? And just fix this piece. So just gonna slide this on up in here. So okay. Like that. And then I just initially just would hold on. don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. 'Cause okay, I gotta figure out how to work these. We'll be back, y'all.